What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you some practice questions regarding matrix operations and determinants. The first example here we have matrix A, which is 2 by 2 matrix, and that is 2x, 0, x and x, and the inverse of same matrix is 1, 0, negative 1 and 2. We need to find the value of x. So what we need to do, we can say any matrix multiplied by the inverse of it is going to give you matrix 1, and you have 2x, 0, x and x multiplied by 1, 0, negative 1 and 2. That's supposed to be 1, 0, 0 and 1. It is going to give us 2x times 1 minus 0, 2x times 0 plus 0 times 2, that's 0, x times 1 minus x times negative 1, that's 0, x times 0 plus x times 2, which is 2x. That's going to be equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, which makes it as 2x equals to 1. And x is 1 over 2. So the value of x is 1 over 2. Next example, it says, let A be the matrix 3 by 2 and B 3 by 2 and C 3 by 2 if A minus B plus x times C equals to this matrix, then what is going to be the value of x? So what we need to do, we need to find out A minus B plus xc first, which is 2, 3, negative 1, 4, 1, 0 minus negative 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4 plus x times 2, negative 1, 2, 3, negative 4, 1. That's supposed to be equal to 7, negative 1, 0, 9, negative 12 and negative 2. That's going to give me 2 minus negative 1, which is going to be 3 plus 2x. 3 plus 2x equals to 7. And I can say 3 minus 2 plus negative x. 5 minus x equals to negative 1. Or we can say, for example, negative 1 minus 3, which is going to be negative 4 plus 2x equals to 0, for instance. So we can solve x by just finding the value of one of these equations. Just one of them is enough. So 3 plus 2x equals to 7. It means that x is equal to 2. Next example, it says a is alpha to 2 alpha and the determinant of a to the power of 3 is 125. What is the value of alpha? So we can say 125 equals to determinant of a to the power of 3, which will be the same as this part. So it means that determinant of a is going to be cube root of 125, which will be 5, because 5 to the power of 3 is 125. So therefore, determinant of a is alpha square minus 4. So alpha square minus 4 is supposed to be equals to 9. So alpha square equals to 9. So alpha square minus 4 is 5. So when you move negative 4 to the other side, it's going to be 9. And alpha will be plus minus square root of 9, which will be plus 3 or minus 3. So that's going to be the value of alpha. Next example is saying that if the matrix 3, negative 4, 1 and negative 1, then what is going to be the value of determinant to the power of 126 minus 4 times determinant of a to the power of 57. So in this case, you're going to say determinant of a is going to be 3 times negative 1 minus negative 4 times 1. That will be negative 4, negative 3 plus 4, which will be 1. So when you sub it there, That's going to be the same as in determinant of a to the power of 126 minus 4 times determinant of a to the power of 57. That is going to be 1 to the power of 126, which is the same thing as 1. And here we have 4 times 1. So 1 minus 4 is going to be negative 3. So that's the final answer. So in this example, we need to find out the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So what we need to do, we can have 2xy times the determinant of this matrix minus x squared times determinant of x squared 2xy y squared x squared plus y squared x squared y squared 2xy. So then we have 2xy times y squared times x squared, so we have x squared y squared minus 4x squared y squared. Then we have negative x squared times x squared x to the power 4 minus 2xy cubed plus y squared 2x cubed y minus y to the power 4. So we have 2x cubed y cubed minus 8x cubed y cubed minus x to the power of 6 plus 2x cubed y cubed plus 2x cubed y cubed minus y to the power of 6. Now let's see if we can simplify it. So we have 2, 2, and 2. Minus 8 is going to be negative 2 x cubed y cubed negative x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6. Now if I factor negative, it's going to be x to the power of 6 plus 2x cubed y cubed plus y to the power of 6. That's going to be negative x cubed plus y cubed to the power of 3. So that's going to be the final answer in factor 4.